We are all waiting for AirPower. To be honest, my patience has given up on AirPower. It's given up because Apple hasn't actually told us. You know, in WWDC they didn't even give us an update, which I was kind of upset. I was kind of expecting Apple to give us an update, maybe not even release it on WWDC, which was what everybody was thinking, but just an update. When is AirPower coming? So yeah, our patience has run out, and a company called Whip Labs knows that, and they released this, the Weed Duo. So let's check it out. Now, first of all, Whip Labs didn't pay me to actually make this video. It was me who actually reached out to them and be like, hey, you should send me one and I'll make a video about your product. They said yes, and this is it. And to be honest, this is perfect. To be honest, the material could change a little bit in my opinion, but it's perfect. It does its job. Now, first off, let's go ahead and talk about the design. It's got a beautiful, minimal, and simple design, which is honestly what I'm always looking for a product. And to be honest, it fits perfectly in my setup, which, I mean, what can be better? It's got a Qi wireless charging here to charge your iPhone, and an integrated Apple Watch charger to, of course, charge your Apple Watch. Now, the Weed Duo has wireless fast charging. Now, compared to other wireless chargers, the Weed Duo can charge your devices up to 20% faster, which is awesome. If you're thinking about buying this, just to let you guys know that this works with the iPhone 10, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus, and with the Apple Watch, it works with the Apple Watch Series 2 and Series 3. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 1 or the Series 0, this won't actually work. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys want to pick one of these up, it will of course be linked down below. By the way, it's charged with USB, and then it simply has a cable right here, so it's not detachable, but I mean, it's fine. While we wait for AirPower, this is the most perfect choice. No, you cannot charge your AirPods over here, but to be honest, I don't really charge my AirPods that often. It's probably once a week. The Apple Watch and the iPhone is a thing that I charge every day. So, and also it's only 50 bucks. I mean, AirPower, I'm sure it's going to cost like 200, 150, so 50 bucks is a pretty good choice. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.